ain't hit the canvas, but baby, who you need me?
Hi guys, welcome back. So in today's video I'm gonna show you guys how I got this a deep orange makeup look. I hope you guys love it. It's perfect for summer and it's also perfect for fall since it's just around the corner. But yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. So the first color I will be applying from the Morphe 3502 palette is this very light beige color, and I'm just going to be applying this on the crease. And the brush I'm going to be using is from Lab to Beauty. I don't know what it's called, but it'll be listed down below. So the next color I'm going to be applying on the crease as well is this a darker like mocha color, and I'm just going to be applying this on the crease as well, like I said, and I'm just using the same brush and I'm just going to be blending both colors together. And by the way, I'm doing windshield wiper motions, and I'm also doing like circular motions when I'm blending. So moving on to the next color, I'm placing this orangey brown eyeshadow on the crease, and I am using a different brush. This one is the Morphe M441. So now I'm just going back with the first brush I was using to make sure everything is well blended out. So I'm going to be applying a little bit of this eyeshadow, and I'm not applying a lot of this color just because I don't want it too dark, you know, and I still want the other colors to show. So for the lid color, I'm going to be applying this deep orange mandarin color, and this is going on my whole entire eyelid. And the brush I'm going to be using is an L211, and it's by Stilazzi. So finally moving on to my favorite part, which is lashes. I love applying lashes, but today I'm actually going to be using some new ones. These are by the Bold Face Makeup, something like that, but they don't have a name, so I'm gonna try to look them up, and if I find them, I'll list them down below. So now I'm going back to pack more color on my eyelid, and I'm just patting on it. I'm not like brushing it because then you're gonna get fallout and it's gonna be all bad. So now for my inner corners and my brow bone, I'm going in with this shimmery gold eyeshadow. So I know the colors look a little bit darker here on camera, but once you go outside and the sun hits it, it's going to be exactly the same as in the thumbnail picture because that's the way I took that picture. So to finish everything up, I'm going in with my Benefit Brow Gel and I'm going to be setting my eyebrows. But once that is done, I am all done with this look. If you guys loved it, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.